This is how Gachagua was received when he was going to rally in Kikuyu today. Hata kama alipatana na Matiagas pale, lakini bado mafans wake ama supporters wake hawakukosa kujitokeza. As you can see in this video, walitokezea kwa wingi sana na ni kwa wingi bana. So guys, this is how Gachagua is loved in Kikuyu area na kwingine bana. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and tell me on the comment section below which side are you in? Are you in 2-term or 1-term? Can tell me on the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe for more latest news updates on our political landscape of Kenya.
Akiona hii